Imagine being able to make $500 or more per day by just typing names into a website. How awesome is it, really? Okay, so this is how it goes. You can enter a single word or name, like Michael and Bill, to receive money. This is a wonderful chance. You can earn the following amount of money. You may earn $20 for typing 1 page of names, $100 for typing 5 pages, and $400 for typing 20 pages every day. The best part is that you can type as much as you want and make as much money as you want because there are no restrictions. This opportunity is available to everyone in the world and may be completed on your phone or computer. Therefore, be sure to finish watching it to learn how to sign up, which is actually quite tough and something that most people get incorrect. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Also, check out the links in the description and comment sections to find out more ways to earn money. So let's start. Now that we're looking at the video, it's clear that we can estimate how much money you can make. Pay note to the rate per word, which in this example is 10 cents in US dollars, and how much you might earn for each word you enter. For instance, the first page of this typing project is right here, the second is right here, and the third is right here. You might get compensated for inputting names because each of these pages contains approximately 300 words. So allow me to show you this website, where you may make $20 and read 300 words in total. I can see a total of 300 names as I scroll down. In other words, just inputting names on this website might earn you $20 every page, which is a significant amount of money. You may easily make up to $400 or even $500 per day by just typing names on this website, since we can receive up to 20 pages each day. First and foremost, I urge you to visit TalentDesire.com to start making money online right away without spending a penny. There's no cost associated with this opportunity, and there was no upfront payment needed. By scrolling down below, you can see the range of work-from-home alternatives they provide. On this platform, you can perform a wide range of tasks, such as online page surveys, freelance blogging, language translation, and online proofreading. However, because it's one of the simplest things to accomplish, we're going to concentrate on online typing jobs in this video, and neither experience nor technical expertise are necessary. Here is a link to the online typing job. Look at this. Your annual income could range from $13,500 to $27,000. For people from all over the world, it's a fantastic way to make money. You can see that there are no Join Me fees associated with registration at this time. There are no unforeseen costs either before or after you participate, and they will never request your assistance. A fully free and global opportunity exists here. You will now receive a range of payments depending on your ability level, from beginners to professionals. I'll reveal a quick additional hidden tip that will help you earn a greater rate shortly. As you can see, you can get paid at an expert level even if you are just starting out, and they'll keep their plan a secret from everyone else until they reveal it to you in a minute. I'll now demonstrate the first bonus tip that could enable you to earn more money online simply by typing names. I want you to click on this yellow icon to go to ratatype.com, which is essentially the homepage of this website and where you may take a free typing test. You will then be taken to a page where you may begin typing on your computer or phone. And the fact that this website will issue you a certificate is another reason I want you to do the speed typing test. You can now get this certificate without paying anything. And in this video, I'll show you how. You need a typing certificate because it will boost your earnings per page and enhance your revenue. For instance, make sure you obtain this certificate if you want to earn $20 for each page you type. The biggest secret is that if you have a certificate showing that you can type, you will be authorized much more quickly and have access to more lucrative connections and unending job opportunities. With that said, inputting names will allow you to make $400 or even $500 every day. As you can see, they'll begin figuring out your accuracy and word per minute capacity as soon as you begin typing on this page. Therefore, it's imperative that you continue to watch to learn precisely how to acquire the certificate and how to finish your TalentDesire.com application. Your accuracy should be between 98 and 99%, barring any spelling or typing errors. You'll earn more money the more accurate you are. We can verify your typing speed and accuracy by having you take a typing test and print out a certificate from this website, which will significantly raise your payout rate. Let me show you a real-life example of how to perform these tests right now and earn your certificate for free in under 5 minutes. As you can see, they'll display my typing speed right here after I've finished typing. Here is my actual outcome, too. You can thus return to type.com if your accuracy is less than 98% or your speed is slower. And until your speed or accuracy improves, take a free typing test once again. Once you get the results, scroll down and click this link to sign up for a free Reddit account. You may do this by providing your name, email address, and password. Therefore, click on this. I submitted my name, email address, and password after clicking this yellow sign up button, which you can see here, and I agreed to the terms and conditions. I then click this button right here. I log into my Rent and Type account after creating a free account. And right here on my dashboard, you can see my name. And here are the results of my typing accuracy and speed. This is my certificate, which you can see if you scroll down below. By clicking the certificate, I'll be led to this page where it says Lauren Smith was recognized for typing in English. Even the signature from monotype.com will be displayed. This certificate is very helpful to you in confirming the authenticity of the certificate. Additionally, you might anticipate receiving much higher pay. To learn how to sign up, register, and apply for a typing job on TalentDesire.com. Keep watching because I'll show you how to do it. As a result, you can begin typing job projects like this one right now. You can really click on this print button right here as you scroll down here. But don't worry, you can also do this on your phone or computer. All you need to do is click the Save button to save the image of your certificate or to save it as a PDF file. This is the genuine certificate that I obtained for free from the Red Tape website, as you can see. Once you obtain this credential, you can start your job applications. Let's go to TalentDesire.com and scroll all the way to the bottom of the website before clicking this red Apply Now button. You will then be directed to this page where you can start your job application. However, please pay special attention and watch this video all the way through because this website sign-up page is actually very well hidden. Additionally, if you skip this section, you can get lost or fail to locate the sign-up page. When you get at the page, scroll down to find this. After choosing an application, click on this red link here. You'll then be sent to this page where there is an online application for work-from-home jobs. Look for this red link that says fill in your details to apply and work with us towards the bottom of the page as you scroll down. You will thus need to provide your personal information when you scroll below this page. You must first accept the privacy statement before entering your first and last names, email address, and phone number. Additionally, if you click on this downward pointing arrow, you'll discover that they accept visitors from all around the world, including Pakistan, the United States, the United Kingdom, India, the Philippines, and Nigeria. Moving on to the following stage. This is essentially the section where you provide all of your professional information, and it is one that most individuals get wrong. Now, enter the job title in the appropriate field. And it's crucial that you type the job title precisely as it appears above before deciding which format is ideal for you. Then, simply click this right here to select whenever you want by using the down arrow. But I do advise working all day because it will open up more job chances for you and allow you to make more money online. Finally, select the best method of payment by clicking this downward pointing arrow and selecting between direct deposit, wire transfer, Payoneer, or PayPal. You can select your existing professional standing, which in this case is self-employed, by scrolling down below. Once you have completed all the fields, you can move on and click Yes, I have read the aforementioned declaration and agree with it. Please also remember to sign the document. Simply enter your full name here, confirm that you are not a robot, and then press the Submit button. Once you've been approved, you can begin receiving typing jobs with names like this one, in which you can make $20 for just 300 words for one page, plus another $20 for the next page, and so on. You can get $20 for each page you type, but in order to continue receiving daily assignments, you must submit your work on time. That's it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates.